Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from your computer. For example, you may be working on a file or on a computer or browsing through your computer and you mistakenly delete a file from your computer and you intend to restore the file back. Okay, let's start from here. I have this file right in this folder. This is a Microsoft Office document. Yeah, for example, if I delete this file right now, you see the file is no longer here in the original folder. If I want to get back this file, it's very simple. I'll go to my desktop on my computer and I will right click and I'll take open, or I'll double click to open the recycle bin. You can see this file is here. So this is the recycle bin. You can recover all your files or your folders, any data you've recently deleted. You can recover it from the recycle bin. There are many options here. You see, you can empty the recycle bin. If you click on empty the recycle bin, you won't see any file here again, and you won't be able to recover this file. So here you can see the recycle bin property. You can restore all the items, or you can restore a selected item. So I'm going to right click on this file and I'm going to take restore. If I restore this file, it's going to go back to the original folder. Where is the original folder? Here on the desktop. So if I go on the desktop and I open this folder, I'll see back the file. So I've recovered the file which was deleted. I can I can also do the same thing with a folder. This is the folder. If I right click on this folder and I delete this folder, and you see the folder is no longer on the desktop. So I can recover the folder by going back to the recycle bin, and I can see this folder right here, and I'll right click on this folder, I'll take restore, and I'll go back to the desktop, and you see this is the folder right here. So if you mistakenly delete a file or a folder or any document, you can go to the recycle bin, you can recover your file back. Very simple. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.